What up, fat? Welcome back, everybody. This is Ash, and welcome back to what's my channel's name again? Yeah, that's right, Ash. So, welcome back, everybody. Today we will be unboxing and reviewing a smartwatch. The brand is Q20. First things first, let's dig into the unboxing. While unboxing, we found the following content: a small manual, or a quick user's guide to be exact. The watch itself, there's a small 25 centimeters magnetic charger USB cable. It doesn't come with the cube, so you'll have to use your own charging cube. If you have a smartphone, you can just use that brick. Like I said, it's a magnetic cable. First things first, before we use the smartwatch, be sure to give it a full charge. The manual says charge it 2 hours, which will hold up for 7 days, they say. So we'll be testing that out as well. While it's on the charge, we might as well start downloading the app. The app we need is called H-Band. And yeah, once the app has started up, you pair your device. Just take a glance through all of the different options and specifications the apps is providing: blood pressure, heart rate monitor, notifications for your apps. Yeah, it has a bunch of features. Just go through everything one by one, depending on what you'll be using yourself. And yeah, just specify that depending on what you will be needing. Now that we're all set up, we will step over to the watch itself. So first off, you can see that I'm trying the wrist, turning the wrist move just to see if the sensor picks it up. That works, but I do have to say that from time to time that does not work. It's all up in my mind trying to resolve my rationale. They're really out to catch it, but they're frontin' like for real. The phone has 4 different themes for your clock. As you can see, you can select it, like I said, by doing the long press to go into the menu, and then short press to go through the selection, and then long press to make your selection. So once you've done this a few times, you'll be able to go through the whole watch fluently. So I connected the watch to my wrist just to see if it gets my blood pressure, my heart rate monitor, and the steps that I've taken for the day. One of the cons that I would say this watch has is that it doesn't have a full touch screen. It just has a single touch button, which means that this single touch button has just 2 functions. A small, just a normal press is for scrolling, selecting whatever you want, and the long press button is functions as the enter key. So with the normal press, you go through the menu and you try to find what you're looking for, and once you want to make a selection, you do the long press to make that selection, which can be really irritating from time to time, because if you're scrolling through the menu and just missed the option you're looking for, you have to go through the menu, through the whole loop, because it doesn't have a back button or a scroll up and down button. You just have to keep pressing the short press until you go through the whole menu just to come back again. So that can be quite annoying. A few of the pros of the watch: the display is nice, it's HD quality, so the display is really nice. I like that. The build is pretty smooth, it sits right on the arm. I love the matte black and glossy glass on it. I like the full black. So yeah, I like the build, I like the display. For the price that you're paying, around $35 on Amazon, it's satisfying. The full display could have been touch, but yeah, they had to cut the budget somewhere. Yeah, so I do have to say that the notifications function of the smartwatch is pretty bad actually. You do get the WhatsApp messages, but you don't get all of them. My phone is constantly busy getting apps, but I barely get a few of the messages on the phone itself. You can receive calls on the watch. As you can see, I'm getting a call right now, but you can either mute the call or you can hang up. So that was a very short version of my reviewing of the Q20 smartwatch. I hope you guys loved watching the video, or either liked it in any sense, or it helped you guys out. Give it a thumbs up, and I hope you guys subscribe so I can keep on making a few more videos for you guys. Much love, much greetings, and have a nice weekend if you're in your weekend. Ciao man, bye bye.